are some of the most effective 5 steps that will help you accomplish all of your goals, increase your creativity, and boost your brain power. So let's get started. Step 1. Get proper and plenty of sleep. Our brains are surprisingly active when we sleep. Brains store new information and reorganize nerve cells. It's important to get the right amount of sleep each night for our brains to function at their best. Body releases essential hormones and proteins for repairing cells during sleep. There are many different theories about how much sleep is needed, but the average is 7 to 8 hours. Step 2. Eat healthy, balanced diet. Modern life is demanding, and we often find ourselves juggling work, family, and social commitments. When we're not eating well or sleeping enough, our brains don't work as well as they should. By eating a balanced diet and getting enough sleep, we can boost brain power and feel more energized all day long. Balanced diet, including all types of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, B6, folate, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, zinc, etc. There are many different types of balanced diet plans to help people stay healthy and happy. To help you guys, I will make another video on balanced diet, which will definitely improve your brain power. Step 3. Practicing meditation and mindfulness. Meditation is a practice that aids in calming the mind and focusing. It's been shown to reduce stress, increase focus, and improve emotional intelligence. Meditation can be practiced by anyone of any age, religion, or any level of experience. This exercise involves closing your eyes and paying attention to your normal breathing pattern without overthinking in your brain. Daily 15 minutes meditation will improve your focus power drastically. Step 4. Physical exercise for boosting brain power. Sitting all day has been linked to increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. A sedentary lifestyle also increases the risk of depression and cognitive decline. One way to combat this is by exercising regularly. Physical activity can help reduce stress, improve both mood and memory, increase brain volume, and boost self-esteem. These steps include not only physical exercises but also mental exercises, which can be achieved by writing, thinking, listening Mozart music, discovering new hobby, and even laughing helps improving your brain function. Step 5. Participate in new activities. Research shows that doing new things and jumping out of your comfort zone can help keep your brain sharp. It's never too late to learn a new skill or try a new activity. For example, learning vocabulary, solving puzzle games, play some music, learning new skills, etc. Here is the bonus step, which may sound silly, but it is very effective. Say no to calculator. You heard me right. Avoid using calculator for doing some simple mathematical problems, such as adding, multiplying, but instead use your brain power. This will help to increase your speed of calculation and develop neural pathways. Studies have shown that mental activity such as calculation strengthens the neural pathways and helps in improving focus. I hope this video will help you, and please start implementing these steps right away. Final thought, if you have cognitive issues, don't be stressed about it. Follow above steps, it will help you definitely. Thanks for watching.